I'm Lauren Davis and we're here in Lille with FAWTV ahead of Wales v Belgium in the quarter-finals of the UEFA Euro 2016 tournament. We're here to speak to you, the Welsh fans, our Sea of Red. We want to hear from you, your prediction, your opinion and your preview.
I feel tomorrow we're going to go 1-0 up with a Bale free kick before half-time. We're going to sneak through with a 2-1 victory.
It's going to be tough, 2-1 Wales.
I'm going to go 2-1 to us after extra time.
1-0, I'm going to go for 1-0.
3-1 Wales.
I can see a draw and us hopefully just edging it towards the end.
3-0 Wales.
I think it's going to be perhaps 2-1 to Wales.
2-1 Wales.
Wales going to beat them in penalties, about 4-2.
We're proud before we even came out here. It's been out here since Bordeaux. It's just been a roller coaster of emotions, but once you got this far, you know, it's just celebrating being here, to be honest. It's absolutely wonderful.
We've got to go all the way. This is our time. We waited such a long time for this. I've been waiting forever and a day for this time to come wherever. We've had the bad times, now we're going to have the good times, and let's have it.
You look, a lot of the smaller nations are fantastic in this tournament. We've been magnificent. There's no pressure on us whatsoever. Huge pressure on the Belgians. We are going to win. I'm convinced we are going to win.
I had this done 20 years ago. It's been a long wait, but it's been worth it.
Come on, Cymru!
Come on, Wales!
Together stronger! Come on, Wales!
Watch out, Europe! We're on the way back!